Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. We got some duck legs. Pat them dry. Let's go ahead and just clean this up. Salt and pepper. All the potatoes chopped in half. We're going to add our aromatics, our rosemary. We're going to add some thyme as well. We're going to add salt, a stick of butter, unsalted. It's a nice pouch here. These papas, these potatoes. Let's go start up the Weber. Let's get cooking. All right, let's check out these potatoes. Damn, they smell good. Let's try it out. Salud. Wow. Wow. Speaking potatoes are bomb. Beautiful, right? Smoked duck. So let's do a quick recap. Smoked it for 45 minutes and then I quick seared it. It didn't come out crispy, the skin, like I wanted it to, but it's all good. Let's go in for a mordida, for a taste. Is it catching it? Who knows? Let's try it. First time. It's chewy. That's for sure. I think I overcooked it, but it's still delicious. The texture of the duck, it's exactly like meat. It's when you overcook meat, it's very chewy. Takes a while to chew. But I can say this, it's bomb. The flavor is awesome. I know I overcooked these guys, but they're still good. So next time I buy duck, I'm definitely gonna treat it like a steak. Damn, that took a long time to chew. It's good. First time having duck. But for sure, next time I'm going to treat it like a steak. Well, I want to thank each one of you guys for subscribing to my channel. I reached 100 subscribers. And most of all, I just want to thank Jesus Christ for making this happen. I love you, Jesus. And for you guys that are new to the channel, please subscribe, smash that like button. I got videos coming every week on Friday. Friday around noon, I post out videos. I got a lot of good recipes, and there's times that I just try out new things, which is cool because this is a new thing right here. But anyways, gracias. Let's continue growing this channel. And gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'll see you guys next Friday. Gracias.